Welcome to the 28th composition of 28 compositions of Jayachamara Vadiyar out of 94. For this session, I welcome all of you, my very well, highly cultured viewers. Why I am telling this? For every Kriti which I present, by viewing this, very good encomiums, and you are all giving me very great encouragement, for which I am very grateful to all of you. With all humility, with humbleness, with blessings of my Aradhya Devi, Lalita Tripura Sundari. Now I am just giving you the next session. I am starting this. This will be in the raga, Nada Brahma. Very special raga. Only one raga which has been used by our Jayachamara Mysuru Maharaja has composed this. This is the 64th Meda Vachaspati Janya, derived from 64th Vachaspati. Raga name itself is Nada Brahma. Only one thing which I have seen of Misu Krishnaya, that sounds, but nobody has, to my knowledge, any composition in this raga. But nowadays, for new ragas, youngsters, they are trying their level best to introduce new ragas. It is also there. For my knowledge, this is the composition of great composers like Jayachamara Vadiyar. For the academic purpose, this raga is really very good. Even the composition, the Sahitya part of it is also, by dissecting the Sahitya, which I am going to do very shortly. I read the Sahitya because the Sahitya is also very beautifully knitted. And raga is Nada Brahma. This is the Janya of 64th Vachaspati. The Kriti starts Shri Vidyam. Immediately this stamp, the very opening itself, he starts with Shri Vidya. He does, because whenever the thought occurs, the composers, these are all, we call it in Kannada, these are all Madi Bandavagalalla, Moodi Bandavalu. Whenever there is a mood, even Moodi Bandavalu, whenever there is a mood, such kritis emanates. It's our fortune. That is why here, Jayachamara Vadiyar starts with his Mudra Raga, Shri Vidya Mudra, Shri Vidya, again, Lalitam, Shri Vidya Lalitam, Pranamami, immediately. So Lalita is just like, for him, other than Lalita and Chamundeshwari are not different for him. So by so many names, Raja Rajeshwari, he calls like that. Kanchi Kamakshi, Madurai Meenakshi, Kashi Vishalakshi, like that. Where, as I have already stated, he has visited 108 Shakti Pitas. So, whenever the mood comes, he just go with that goddess. And all the things, as he is a Shri Vidya Upasaka, naturally his thought flows through this type of composition. The raga is also Nada Brahma, is a great musicologist also, Jayachamara Vadiyar. That is why which are in the books, theory books, these ragas are, but for practical purposes, the compositions are very, very, very rare. So this rare composition, Shri Vidya Lalitam Pranamami, Shrita Jana Kalpalatam Shubha. The story of Lalita, see, Agastya, it has been, Hayagriva has told the story of Lalita to Agastya. So that Shubha Charitam he remembers. No, he knows the entire story of Lalita Madhya. So, Shritajana Kalpalata Shubhacharita Shri Vidyam Lalitam Pranamami. Shritajana Kalpalata Shubhacharita Lalita Sahasranama's glory he remembers in the first Pallavi part of it, in the Raga Nada Brahma. Pallavi. Sarva Sampat Pradam. By remembering the glory of Lalita, what are you going to get? What is Palashruti? Immediately says, Sarva Sampat Pradam. Whatever you want, whatever you desire, you get it. So first you desire first, then you get it. Desire and desire. Immediately without, only if you have desire, it will not be fulfilled. You should desire. For deserving that, you have to go to bhakti part of it, devotion, not the emotion. Devotion is most important for that. Study the Lalita directly and have the blessings of Lalita. He says, Sarva Sampat Pradam. Not only Sampat, you get Bruhadananda. Satchidananda you get it. Because Sarva Loka Pujita Padam. Lalita, not only Chamarajendra Vadiyar or anybody, she is propitiated the entire universe as a Prakriti Mate, the Mother Nature, he says. Sarva Loka Pujita Padam. Her feet is propitiated by the entire universe as Mother Nature. Sharva Hrit Sukha Pradam Kaivalyata. Yatrasti Bhoga Nachatatra Moksha. Yatrasti Moksha Nachatatra Bhoga. Shri Sundari Sadhaka Pungavanam. Lalita Sundari. Lalita Mahatripura Sundari Sadhaka Pungavanam gets Bhoga Moksha Kalasta Eva. That is what he says in Anupallavi Sahitya. Sarva Sampatrada Bruhadananda Sarva Loka Pujita Pada Sharva Hrid Sukha Prada Kaivalyada. Moksha also will get it. Next, in the Charana. Ishadi Viravade Pancha Brahmamayi. Pancha Brahmasanasthita. She is seated on Pancha Brahma. Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, Rudra, and the plank is Sadashiva. On that, Shiva is seated on the seat in the left side. She has been seated. Like that, it has been described in Lalita Sahasranama. That is if you go and study the Lalita Sahasranama, you will get all these details. All these details are put it in a nutshell in the form of Kriti, in the Raga Nada Brahma by our Maharaja Jachamardin. Ishadi Viravadi Pancha Brahmamayi Ikara Rupa Sushobhita Shivamayi Ishana Sarva Vidya Swarupa Yudam. Here, just while reading Sahitya, please refer the letter E. E for Ishvara. He uses 4 times in different contexts. Ishadi Viravadi Pancha Brahmamayi Ikara Rupa Sushobhita Shivamayi. Third one, Ishana Sarva Vidya Swarupayuta. The fourth one is Isha Seva Nirata Darahasayuta. The inner meaning indicated, my interpretation is these 4 is for Sarva Sampat Pradam Bruhadananda. For this Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, whichever you want, you will get it. These 4 E refers to that. And also, Ishana Sarva Vidyana. You just remember, while offering puja, Ishana Sarva Vidyanam, Ishvara Sarva Bhutanam, Brahmadipati Brahmanopati Brahma, Shivo me Astu Sada Shivo. These things, while every day he offering Shiva puja, he uses these mantras. That is why it has been by heart. He knows all the inner meaning and also the mantra itself. So, naturally, in the Raga, Nada Brahma, this beautiful Sahitya, beautiful Kriti has emerged. Once again, the Jana Sahitya, You enjoy the beauty of it. Ishari Veeravali Pancha Brahmamayi Ikara Rupa Sushobhita Shivamayi Ishana Sarva Vidya Swarupayuta Isha Seva Nirata. Jatamaraj is the king. So Isha Seva Nirata Sarve Jana Supino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta. He is king for everything. Isha Seva Nirata. Daraha Sahita. Next, Madhyamaka Sahitya. Vishavaha Sahodari. This is a very specially he has used. The inner meaning is Visha. Visha means Garuda. Garuda is the vehicle of Vishnu. To tell who is Vishnu, Ishavaha. See how cleverly he has used it. Vishavaha Sahodari. In Lalita Sahasranama, Padmanabha Sahodari is there. Instead of telling that, so here he uses Padmanabha Sahodari in various ways in Narayani, like that, so many ways in his compositions he has used. Here he has used Vishavaha Sahodari. Next, in the last part of this Kriti, Raga stand comes. Nada Brahma Vashankari. Shankari. See, if you just imbibe the nada, you will get the solace. So, that's the beauty about the music, because it's in Gandharva Veda. Nada, it has no caste, color, creed, religion, nothing. Only music. Sunada. That is why it's Nada Brahma Vashankari. Raga name has also come. One who is always singing or listening music, not hearing, listening music, he will be Nada Brahma Vashankari. You will be with Nada Brahma. So that is the Parabrahma itself. We need not do any rituals, just go on playing or singing, contemplate on Nada. That itself gives you the solace and zenith, Sarva Sampat Pradam, and also Brihadananda. Everything you get it by Nada Brahma, Vashankari, Shankari. He says Shankari in the end. Shankara means one who gives all the pleasures is called as Shankara. Sukha, Shankar. What is Sukha? Nada Sukha, Nada Sokya. See, without our knowing, if we listen to good music, we express aha like that. So, even without our knowing who is playing or who is singing, it is immediately the melody part of it. Nada, Nada Brahma, Shankari, Shankari. We conclude giving the importance for the melody of music. What is music? Music stands for morality, M for morality, U for universality, S for spirituality, I for intimacy and integrity, C for character. So music is like that. That is what you can just attribute in many ways about music. So that music, what is this? It's a sacred music that has been emphasized in this Nada Brahma Kriti. That is Sri Vidya Lalita Pranama. Let me try to submit with all humbleness the rare Raga Kriti. It's in 64th Vachaspati Janya. Let me play the scale of it. ललितां प्रणमामि श्रीविद्यां ललितां प्रणमामि विद्या ललिता प्रणमामि विद्या ललिता प्रणमामि श्रीधरन कल्पलतां शुभचरितां श्रीविद्या ललितां प्रणमामि श्रीधरन कल्पलतां शुभचरितां श्रीविद्या ललितां सर्व संपत्प्रदा सर्व संपत्प्रदा सर्व संपत्प्रदां बृहदानन्दं सर्वलोकपूजितपदं सर्वसुखप्रदं कैवल्यदं सर्वलोकपूजितपदं सर्वसुखप्रदं कैवल्यदाम् सुखप्रदं कैवल्यदाम् श्रीविद्यां ललितां प्रणमामि श्रीतर्जन कल्पलतां शुभचरितां श्रीविद्यां ललितां ईशानि विहावलि पंच ब्रह्ममयी ईशानि विहावलि पंच ब्रह्ममयी ईकालरूप सुशोभित शिवमयी conclude with the Raga Nada Brahma. Jachamara this centennial year with Nada Brahma Raga itself. This will be the 28th session in the 28 ragas, 28 compositions so far I have presented by the blessings of my Aradhya Devi, Lalita Madhuri Prasad. Let me meet you in the next session with the Jachamara one more composition. Thank you very much.